Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest EV news out there. You're going to get a lot from this video. The biggest news and the biggest buzz right now is Rivian. It is going to be starting its initial public offering very, very soon in the next few days. I did want to give you the update, the latest update on that. Before we do get started, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button, so my video can be shared around the YouTube and help that algorithm and keep me alive. If you are new to the channel, we would like to welcome you. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that little notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos out there. We are going to be talking about the Rivian stock. It is going to be coming on the NASDAQ to trade in the stock market in the next few days. It has been projected that by November 9th, they are going to be offering that price. We should know the exact price of the Rivian stock that it will be offering to investors out there. Right now, it is estimated to be valued anywhere from $58 to $62 per share. That is looking at a $60 billion valuation of this company. Now, back in August, they did file its S-1 form with the Security and Exchange Commission seeking an $80 billion valuation, which would make this company even bigger than Ford Motor Company and actually rival General Motors. But it looks like from what I have been seeing that this company, it looks like they are going to be getting a valuation of about $60 billion compared to that $80 billion, which does make it look a little bit more appealing to retail investors out there. So with this valuation of $60 billion, it will be very similar valued at the same as Honda, right above Lucid Motors. So definitely big news to come. We'll definitely keep our eye on this. Now, as a stock, as a company, since it will be coming out on the market, it will be about November 9th, November 10th. So mark that date on your calendar. But I do suspect that this price will start popping once retail investors start going in. Historically, the IPOs do start fizzling out. There is a lot of hype at the very beginning. A lot of people do pile in at the very beginning, which normally historically does cause the price of the stock to go up. I do suspect if they do open up the price of about $60, I do think that it will go up to $80 very, very quickly if we have a lot of retail investors just piling in. For me, I do, just my own personal opinion, I will wait until all the dust settles. Normally, this does take about 2-3 weeks after its IPO date and before I take a position in this company. I definitely do like this company as a future prospect. It is the very first company out there to make an electric truck. So they did beat Tesla out there. Tesla has been making its Cybertruck out there, but it has not gone on the market. I am still actually waiting for my reservation for the Cybertruck. I still haven't received it yet, but this is very good news for Rivian and for Rivian customers out there. So they do have a big demand. They do have a big support. So I just did want to talk about Rivian as they are supported by a lot of big companies. Let's look at the investment companies. You have BlackRock, you have Fidelity, huge also banks, Morgan Stanley, you have a lot of Goldman Sachs. All these companies, all these banks are backing them up. But not to only mention this, Amazon has 20% stock shares in Rivian. Ford Motor Company has about 17% stake in Rivian. So you have a lot of backing, a lot of, people that are backing this company. I think it has a very, very good potential in the future to do great as an electric vehicle company. They are now starting just to make the production vehicles out there. They do make about 2 trucks per day from the latest news I have read. We also had a fire about 2 weeks or a week ago that did halt its production, but the demand is definitely there. They have a demand of the R1T, the pickup truck, and the R1S, the SUV. They have about 48,000 reservations right now. And so there is definitely a big demand for this vehicle. Remember, it does have a very nice performance. It has a very nice, mileage for the battery pack that it does have. 0 to 60, we're looking at 3 seconds. We're looking at a range of about 330 miles on a single charge. We do have electric motors on all 4 wheels, on all 4 axles. This vehicle can tow up to 11,000 pounds. Its stats for a truck, for a pickup truck, are amazing. For an SUV, they are amazing. We also have that big, huge, order from Amazon. Amazon has put a $100,000 price or a reservation for its electric vehicle vans out there. It will be delivered by the year 2030. So next year, in the year 2022, they should get about 10,000 of its delivery electric vans. But also Amazon does have that right of refusal. They do have in their contract that they pretty much own the technology that Rivian has. If anything would happen to Rivian as a company, since it is a fresh, brand new EV startup company, Amazon can actually use its electric motors, pretty much anything that it wants, and it can convert it to another company if it needs to make that shell. So, all the pretty much the electric motor, inverter, charging system, it's all owned by Amazon, especially for the next 4 years and 2 years pending after that. So definitely we have a big stake in this through Amazon, which I do think that it could potentially help the stock because it does have a lot of big backing back there. But me personally, I do plan to wait until the dust settles on this. But again, this company is huge. It has not made any vehicles out there in large volume yet. It is still doing that mass production of its vehicles, but very shortly we should start seeing those coming out. They are making about 2 vehicles per day, as I have mentioned, but I'll definitely keep you updated on this with this great news. So again, mark your calendar, November 9th and November 10th, they should be trading on the stock market as ticker RIVN for Rivian. And that price will definitely have to watch. If you did like this video, please give me that big thumbs up. It will share this video around YouTube. It'll help me keep me alive on the YouTube and help that algorithm. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. We would love to have you in the community. And please take advantage of the links that I put down below. I did put a link down to Moomoo. If you open an account using my link, you get back $3 and anywhere from $3 to $350 in free share of stock just for opening an account. If you deposit $100, you will also be getting a free share of stock. In the past, it was Lucid Motors. I am working with the company to try to get that promotion back. But also, I do have links down below to Webull, Robinhood, and Coinbase. If you deposit money, open an account, you'll also get free stocks and cryptocurrency. But thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day.